Hey everybody, this is Jesse with Nexus 5 softModder. Today I'm going to talk to you about an easy way to switch between ROMs on your Nexus 5. Flashing ROMs on your Nexus 5 is a really good experience, and it's really easy to do. You can just download the ROM and you flash it, but when you're doing this, you got to make sure that you make backups, so then you can go back to your recoveries anytime you want to if things get a little messed up, because ROMs can be, especially the new ones that are coming out, they can be a little finicky, they can mess up your phone a little bit. But it'd be a lot easier if you could just switch back and forth between them. If you could do that, you could just have your main ROM that you use that you know that works, and then you can have a secondary ROM or even a third ROM that you're experimenting with, and you can switch back and forth between those really easily. Using this method, you can do that. All you have to do, assuming that you're rooted and that you have a custom recovery already installed, just open up Google Play and download Multi-ROM Manager. Install that. Once you've got it installed, you're going to get this, it's actually an installer that you download, not the actual app. So once you install the installer, this is the installer, open it up, check tick these boxes for the kernel, the recovery, and the multi-ROM, and then you'll hit install. And then once you do that, you'll install everything that you need, and then when your phone reboots, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. When you reboot your phone, you'll come to this screen. You'll tap and you actually have a choice. You can boot your internal, which is your main ROM, the one that you're using before you started, stock if you're using stock, or another ROM if you're using that, or you'll have another ROM that you can boot to. So in this case, I've got AOKP installed, and I can switch back and forth them really easily that way. But first, what you have to do is you have to go into your recovery. So we'll go over here to MISC, and then reboot to recovery. We'll wait for our phone to do it. Once you're in recovery, you'll go to Advanced, and you'll go to multi-ROM right here, and then you'll add ROM. So once you do that, you select, unless you're using Ubuntu Touch or you're installing the multi-ROM installer, just go to Next, make sure you have Android internal memory, and then you'll select zip file. And if you've already downloaded a ROM to your phone, this is where you'll find them. And you can pick one, and then once you add it, you'll see it the next time. The ROM will actually install onto your phone. So once the ROM is actually installed on your phone, you'll actually see it now listed. You'll see internal, which is the main ROM you're using, and you'll see the other one, which in my case is this ROM here. All you have to do is check the box and hit boot, and you'll boot into it. And you can switch back and forth at your own leisure, and it's that simple. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for the full tutorial, check out Nexus 5 softModder. Thanks a lot.